Drug-related problems, or DAPs, are prevalent and avoidable disease that patients experience due to drug use or non-use. Lazarou et al. Ranked DAPs as the fourth or sixth cause of in-hospital deaths. Moreover, DAPs are directly responsible for approximately 20% of consultations in hospital emergency departments, 10% of hospital admissions and 21% of readmissions, that are mostly avoidable. Although DAPs are a major public health problem that generate high and often avoidable costs to healthcare systems, primary and secondary prevention policies have not yet been systematized in Western countries. Drug code is a secondary prevention bundle for DAPs in patients who visited the emergency department due to iatrogenic disease that includes a structured patient-centered medication review, healthcare coordination and a post-discharge telephone visit. This multidisciplinary and territorial secondary prevention program has been carried out within the framework of the Comprehensive Care Program for Frail Patients in the Emergency Department of the Hospital de la Santa Creu i Sant Pau in Barcelona, which includes pharmaceutical care. The drug code has shown in a clinical trial to reduce 30-day, all-cause readmissions with an NNT of 32. An economic study of this clinical trial also concluded that the implementation of the drug code reduces the cost associated with hospital readmissions and emergency department visits, generating a net annual saving of €87,639. After completing the clinical trial, based on the results obtained and the experience gained, with this project the Hospital de Sant Pau aims to implement a new care model that facilitates standardization of this clinical practice assisted by information systems and is ready to be scaled up and extended to other territorial areas of the health system. With this objective in mind, a multidisciplinary team conformed by physicians, pharmacists, innovation teams and directives was formed and invited to cooperate with 4 collaborating hospitals of different characteristics with the aim of developing and validating a new care model and designing an IT tool to facilitate it. The project will be carried out between 2023 and 2026 and consists of 3 phases: an initial development phase for designing and call for tender of the information systems tool to support the drug code program, a second extension phase for tool validation, which will take place in 4 pilot hospitals with different characteristics, while designing and implementing a training program aimed to healthcare professionals. Finally, an scalability phase implementing the program in 18 centers that have shown interest. It is expected that the results obtained in the clinical trial will be similar to those obtained in healthcare practice after the program was implemented at Sant Pau Hospital. The expected results after the implementation of the drug code program are absolute reduction of reconsults in the emergency service of 6%, absolute decrease in hospital re-income of 3%, decreasing the costs associated with drug-related problems, morbidity, increased patient participation in the medication plan and decisions. On the other hand, it is expected that during the project's development, new indicators of patient outcomes and perceptions will be generated following the methodology proposed by the ICOM that allows an evaluation and improvement of results in patients. The drug code is a strategic and innovative initiative because it addresses 4 of the major challenges facing health systems. 1. Coordination of care. 2. Person-centered care. 3. Prevention as a health strategy. And 4. Orientation towards results in terms of value. The drug code is the sustainable option for a value-oriented healthcare strategy.